valued my life, I'd be afraid of death. Reliving all my memories, repaying all my debts. I look straight through them, acting like the world is fair, but it's not easy for me. I see the same shit everywhere, opening my heart as it's breaking. In my eyes I'm still faking my life in this existence, as my dreams they are awaking. Falling free of misery, stuck in the same perception, with the questions I could never ask and the answers that I could never mention. Questions can't have answers when the words don't make any sense. Crime scenes can't be put to rest without the evidence, and we can't feed ourselves without a diet to consume. Music can't be played soft, we got sound but no volume.